Hey everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the current way to shop for clothing and shoes on Amazon when you want the option to return items that don't work out. Amazon's Try Before You Buy program has changed, so let's look at what you can use instead. First, open Amazon and search for the clothing or shoes you're interested in. On the search results page, you may notice that the old Try Before You Buy filter is no longer available in the sidebar. This is because Amazon has changed the availability of the program. Next, open a product you're interested in. On the product page, select the size and other options you need. Then, look near the price and shipping information for free returns if it's available. If the item is eligible for free returns, you can purchase it through the normal checkout process. After receiving the item, check the fit and make sure it meets your needs. If you decide it isn't right for you, you can start a return through Amazon, following the return window and conditions shown on the order. To start a return, go to your orders, find the purchase, and select return or replace items if that option is available. Choose the appropriate reason and follow the instructions Amazon provides. Remember that free returns aren't available on every product, so always check the specific listing before purchasing. And that's it. Now you know how to check for eligible returns when shopping for clothing and shoes on Amazon. If this updated guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Amazon tutorials. Thanks for watching.